what the numbers 3 liars really come from where the number 3 myth come from. The idea largely traces back to niche statement analysis training, which claimed deceptive people tend to pick the number 3 or numbers starting with 3 when they inventing details. Even its original proponent admit that data come from the tiny Flores experiment. This was an experiment, it wasn't a study, where participants could only choose from the numbers 1 to 5, and 3 show up slightly more often, not as a robust science effect. What do you mean? If you give the brain the option to 1, 3, or 5, the brain tends to look for a 3. And let me tell you why. It's something called the decoy effect. If you see an advertisement, for example, let me give you an example that Daniel Pink and all the big ones that really everybody use. It's the advertisement for a newspaper. We have number 1. The option is you can buy the newspaper for $9.97. You can buy the option online for $9.97, or you can buy the option number 3, the usually is on the middle and advertising and says the most famous, the most bought. That's how I advertise it. That is the paper version plus the internet for $14.97. It's used in advertisement, is used to simplify, and again, between one option, then the brain says, well, you give me one option, is too little. 5 options is too much. So we tend to use number 3 because we have 2 brains, right brain and left brain. So right brain is going to be thinking about something, left brain is going to be thinking about something else. But when you give an option number 3, the brain says, okay, I need to pick one instead to go to a rabbit hole inside your head. Despite these media pieces now repeat the number 3 as a liar's number. And there is a lot of colleagues that I will not gonna name that keep teaching that the number 3 is the base to determine if somebody's lying. As if it were a law of human behavior without the kind of peer review evidence professional will require in any other domain. I have people criticize that face reading profiling, it's not a science.